What's up, guys? Welcome back. How did your days go? Today was a crazy day, a huge whipsaw. No one knows what's going to happen. I mean, the market just tapped into our demand level and is rebounding. But today we're going to talk about Tesla, space, and SoFi. I think SoFi is a great long-term investment. If you guys don't know what SoFi is, they are a digital payment processing company. And I think it's a great long. I think after this initial run up, we had a huge and healthy correction right into our demand level, and we just tagged it. I think we have a long way to go. I think we're going to go above our most recent high. So, wait, I always forget where everything is. Oh, right here. I do think that we're going to hit and go above 25, but this is a super long-term hold for me. So if you guys are trying to look for some long-term investments, I think SoFi is definitely the way to go. But anyways, the market, we dumped today, and I honestly don't even know why, but we did see a bunch of puts come in during the early morning, and that made us a little skeptical. We got some SPY puts here, ARC puts. And we were still nearing the trend line. So we took shorts in our Discord server. But Tesla was the best short. I don't know if you guys played this one. We alerted this on Benzinga last week, Thursday. We said that we will have another short opportunity if Tesla could tag supply again. And we did exactly that today. So not today, sorry. This week, though, the 13th. And from there, we got an 8% short opportunity if any of you guys took it. We entered today, but even with today, we got a huge return on this play. As alerted on my Discord server, we have over 134% and two minor positions. The weeklies obviously paid a lot more, but a lot riskier. It was alerted in our Discord server. But yeah, Tesla, we said this thing was going to come down, and it did. I was targeting this 634 area, but again, I told the Discord server today, price targets are only price targets if it hits. And if it doesn't hit, you're going to get your ass handed to you really quick. So when you're up 150%, 140, or even 130%, to me, 30% is a great return already. Take profits and go. So, we capitalize off of this. A lot of the free members actually capitalize off of this because I alerted this to the free channel as well. So we definitely got some thank you. Congrats to all getting paid. It's still going down. These are all free members. So if you guys are interested, come join our Discord server. But Tesla, I do think we're going to get some sort of rebound. I won't get in simply because I don't know where the market's going. We did enter some SPY calls right here because it hit our demand level as alerted on our Discord. They're currently at, last time I checked, it was 17%. But as of right now, they are 22%. Super small position, as you can see, 2 of them only because I don't want to oversize myself, not knowing where the market's going to go. I think we're still range bound. I think we are still going to just chop on these around these 2 trend lines on this bullish wedge. I don't know how long it's going to go for, so I'm not trying to play around too much, especially when we made a decent amount off of Tesla. I was red today initially, but I turned positive, as you can see here. Tesla made me $1,500, as you can see over here. And space killed me. Space is such a piece of crap. This thing, I didn't play the whole run up into the Richard Branson launch because I knew this was going to be a sell the news type of event. But wow, who would have knew that this was going to drop literally 50%, close to 50% since the highs. This thing, I think I lost more than 1,000 because this is just one of my accounts. And as you can see here, I was down close to 1,000 today. And it's a piece of crap. I got into it yesterday thinking that it was going to rebound. It faked us out in the morning, just like it did today, because it did the exact same thing today. At open, it went up, as you can see, and then it just slowly died again. I don't know exactly where this is going to go. To me right now, it's one of those stocks that I'm not even going to touch. after dying like 2 to 3 times trying to catch the bottom of this thing. But we do have some sort of RSI divergence here, and I do think that we are going to recover some tomorrow, because I'm not guaranteeing it, but I'm pretty sure that we are going to have some covering tomorrow. Something that's ultra shorted and that came down 50%. Tomorrow, it is going to have some covering into the weekend. No one's going to try to hold this position into the weekend, but timing the bottom of the reversal is going to be the hardest part. Who knows what is going to happen? The next level I have going for space is this 26 level. I don't know if we could even get there. To me, that's another freaking 16% move down. I don't know if we could do it, but I am probably going to try a lotto tomorrow or maybe end of day today, but I don't want to get crapped on again. I hope, did any of you guys play this? Because it's such a POS, man. How about WPRT? Can it hold above 4? WPRT, let me see. Who actually, I don't even know the stock. Someone obviously brought it to my attention because I have it somewhat charted out here. Can it hold above 4? I mean, we are at a demand right here. I mean, 4 is obviously a psychological level, but what are you playing off of? Like, is there some catalyst? Is there some news to this? I don't know. I don't see any buyers coming in. Look at this. I don't know. Doesn't seem like there's anyone trying to like buy this up. There's no volume, like, you know, in this demand level. I don't know. This is obvious that it finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is an obvious macro correction on WPRT, but it could be a complex correction. So that either there's a 7 swing or potentially even, you know, ABC, a 13 swing correction. I don't know. What are you playing off of? Is this like a catalyst play for you, or what exactly? Majority of the time, I only play like large names because like there's actually people following and applying technicals to trade it. Like Tesla was amazing, but other smaller names, it's like, do we know, or how do we even know if people are playing technicals? I mean, AMC, there was a lot of people playing technicals, but Jesus Christ, man, this thing dumped. Is there even a reason for this to dump like this? Just want to bounce. What are you in at? What was your reasoning for getting into it? I mean, like I said, as of right now, it doesn't look like there's any buyers at all, bro. Looks like it's still going down. Sorry to break it to you. I don't see any buyers as of yet. Westport Fuel Systems. I've never even heard of this. And I wouldn't personally play it, but as of right now, I really don't see any buyers stepping in. What do you think about M Content Token? I see potential. What is the ticker, Putra? I've never heard of this either. I could give you like a technical breakdown of it, but I've never heard of it. But by the way, guys, did you know there's a Krispy Kreme? There is a Krispy Kreme IPO recently, and I am thinking about getting into it, but there's no technicals at all. And apparently they were taken, I think they IPO I think it was like 20 years ago, and they got taken private for like, I think $1.7 billion. But I want to get into this. I think this is great for long term, but they've been apparently for the past 3 years, they've been reporting a loss, but their reasoning for that was because they're trying to buy back all the franchise locations. So I'm looking at this. I just want to wait for some sort of technicals to develop. Obviously, I don't think a lot of people are actually aware of this as of right now. because there's not much volume on it, honestly. Microsoft, buy the dip. Let's see. Oh, let's see if there's any. I don't know if the market's. What do you guys think about the market? Do you think the market's gonna go down? Because we shorted it today and then we played the long. But IWM got a good amount of calls coming in after the dump, and I do think it could potentially go up. I was hoping it to hit this 213 area, but it did not, so I'm gonna just sit out. Microsoft. This thing's way too overextended for me. We're in 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is way overextended for me to play. So I wouldn't get into it. But it's such a minor dip, honestly. What is this? A $3 move down. I don't see much. My main watch is SoFi. I think SoFi is going to give us a ripper in the long term. And I added today. I got in at 20, but I added some today. Also added some contracts. I'm just happy I'm green for the day because I lost a good amount, as you can see here on Space, but I ended up getting it back on Tesla short. I wish I played a little more, but who the hell knows what's going to happen? You guys think the market's going to keep going down, or you think it's going to go up? And other trade I am looking at is probably, I mean, I don't want to get into this crap again, but Space for tomorrow does look very, very tempting just because I know like very, very high certainty that people are going to cover into the weekend, but it's just so weak, man. We climbed up today and then we just slowly died back. This thing's been happening all the time. PayPal will stay bearish if I have a put contract. I don't know if I should sell by the end of the day. Robert, I don't know. I mean, I'll look at it right now for you, but I think the market itself is uncertain. So I don't know exactly if it's the smartest to swing any positions as of right now. Wow, it took a huge dump. I guess it's because of the market, but I mean, you have a demand level here. And you also have the 20-day moving average here. So I would say if you are up on it, obviously take profits. Again, I told my members today, take profits because, you know, all these price targets are obviously just like, it's great to hear, but until you get, you know, put into your place. You know, my target on Tesla today was 634 and we came down hard. I believe we entered probably around here. And we got over 150% on it, but it was so close to my price target. But what is a price target unless it hits, you know? Like people are always like, yeah, it's going to hit my price target. It's going to hit. If you're up over 30%, 150%, we were up 150% on these Tesla puts. Get out. You know, there's always another chance. The least, you know, you would not want it to happen where you just go from 150% to a negative position just because you didn't want to take profit or you're looking for it to hit your price target. It's always better to play safe than sorry, you know. Always good to take profits rather than going red on a very, very green position. You can't just, you know, it's great to have a target, but again, that target's only useful if and only if it plays out. Anytime, Robert. Thanks for being here. Putra, the M content token. Yeah, I don't know what it's about. What is the ticker on it? I was trying to look at it, but I don't think you. What goes back to red? Skulker. I don't know if the market's gonna go red. We held this demand zone, and it's great, but again, I don't know, and that's why I'm not trying to play any like huge positions. I mean, as you can see here, the only thing I'm swinging is SoFi, Bond. If you guys played Bond, this was alerted last time on Benzinga as well. We flew. Oops. we flew. Wait, where is the backline? We alerted this at 7:39, and then it freaking flew right here to $17. I don't know. I think some news came out or something like that. But we flew over 150%, and then we came back down, and I re-entered over here. Was it yesterday? Probably yesterday. And we have another huge move. I think this thing's gonna continue going higher. I do think we're gonna take out the prior high, which is the $17 level. Obviously, it's gonna take time. Nothing happens instantly, but this is not an options play. It's a commons play. As you can see, I am in it right here. I'm only up $181 so far, up 8%. My entry 1128, like I said. I do think it's gonna go very high. I mean, if you guys want to take it, you know, it's up to you. My stop loss will probably be at around the $8 mark. Pretty far stop loss, but I do see this going. I mean, it's a 50% risk for. I mean, I think it's gonna go above that. So it's it's basically like a 1-to-1 ratio. But I have huge conviction on this. I think it's gonna rocket. Low float, etc. Robert, Benzinga alerts are on Benzinga. It should be in the link in the description below. I'm not sure if they do alerts though. They might. I know they have a Benzinga Pro platform if you're interested. We also have an option suite platform if you're interested. Callsorputs.com. Oh wait, who said? Did someone say Facebook? Facebook had a huge $2 million sweep today for 460 for next year. I don't know if this thing is gonna. I wonder if it's gonna go. They're already up because look, they entered at 341.87. And it's currently at 342.58. I mean, it looks great after a dump today, I guess. What are you guys watching? Oh, Skulker. Yeah, I think Tesla has a long way to go. But I was swinging weeklies, so I'm not going to hold on to it. My target, as you can see here, for a long-term correction is 420. You know, it sounds a little crazy, but when you think about it, you know, prior to split, I think it was a 4-to-1 or was it a 5-to-1? Even if it gets to 420, that's still 1,600, so it's not that much. C3 AI and cannabis, I think cannabis is setting up for a run. I think CGC. But a lot of people are playing the long term for these weed stocks. You see CGC. Someone got in for $152,000, but for August, this is an opening position. I mean, it looks good for. I mean, there was a huge correction, and it's also within the 0.61 right now. If it goes a little lower. If it goes down to this level, I will get into CGC. But as of right now, I mean, it was so close, but I want to see it a little lower. Give me 19.5, and I'll get into CGC. I do think weed has some upside to go, especially with this administration. Alejandro, you can access the Discord. The link is in this YouTube video. If you scroll down. It says follow Chance. You have my website there, Chance Trades Discord, and my YouTube channel if you guys are interested. Yeah, my main trades, I think tomorrow I'm probably going to get into some space lottos or maybe end of day today. I don't know. Again, I've gotten, you know, raped a few times on this position, so I don't like it. CCIV, let's see. Besides CCIV, you guys know there's this GGPI. This is apparently supposed to merge with what was it? Polestar. This is supposed to apparently merge with Polestar, and I like it. I like this one. I think it's currently valuated at $1 billion. I think it has a long way to go, especially if you have time on your hands. CCIV, we are currently in a demand level. I want to see some basing, and I would potentially get into this. It's not bad, actually. CCIV doesn't look bad, but wasn't there some news or something it was dependent on? As long as CCIV holds above 1732, I will. I think that this will hit around the $33 level. Oh, Airbnb, ETC. I think Airbnb is a great entry. It just hit our demand level, and I think from here we should get another move up. However, you just gotta be careful. The market itself is very unpredictable right now, but I really, really like Airbnb long. Talking about that, I might actually get in because it didn't really. Airbnb actually looks pretty good. I think I might actually get in. 1 second. But I don't play weeklies though. I mean, like all these like 100. Well, I did today play Tesla, but I usually don't play weeklies just because of the risk. But Tesla looked like a very, very good short op, so I liked it. But Airbnb, I think this is a good play, bro. And we're very extended from the 20-day moving average as well. I think we should have some sort of reversion to the means. If I were to go, I'll probably go for an August 20th. I play in the money contract, so just know that it's gonna be expensive if I do get in. But I like it. I'll probably play if we do retrace. Maybe a little lower. If we could tag a little lower, I'll really like it. But I think we are fairly oversold already. And we also seeing a RSI divergence. I actually like this. I will get in actually right now. You see a 4-hour divergence here. Let me tell you guys which one I'm going to get into. If the market could come up as well, I think Airbnb is going to freaking reverse hard. I'm going to take the 138 calls for July 30th. I like it. Small position, I'm only going to do 4 contracts of this. All right, I am in, as you can see here. Let's see if we could get it. I am in this Airbnb July 30th, 138 call. Good luck to you guys if you guys are taking it. I really like the setup. I think if the market actually recovers, we should get some upside on this. As of right now, the market seems to be holding this demand level. So I am also in SPY calls if you guys did not see. I like this position. If you guys are taking Airbnb, smash the like button so I know which one you guys, how many of you guys are actually taking it. Airbnb, etc. Are you going to get into it or no? Evgo, C3 AI actually. I've been hearing that a lot. Oh. I don't know. This thing's been just dying, bro. Chewy, Leia, I saw Chewy. Oh, Chewy actually looks good. Potential head and shoulders here. I mean, inverted head and shoulders. And I think we got a golden sweep for this today. I think earnings is coming up. Chewy. Someone's playing for September. Their earnings is September 21. Maybe a earnings run up. I don't know. $200,000. This is an opening position for sure. Open interest was 0, which means that this is an opening position. Leia, are you in it for the long or what are you doing? Are you shorting it or what? MVIS, Microvision. This thing, man, I missed that one. But Chewy actually looks really good. I don't know if I should get into it. I mean, the setup looks great. If it could get me a little lower, I would actually like it. I think if we could get up to here, I will like it. But as of right now, let's see. And I'm also not trying to take too many positions today because I went from like deep red, as you can see here, and I'm finally positive because of stupid space. This thing is, oh, space was such a loser. But I'm finally positive again, so I'm not trying to play too crazy until the market has a direction. Leia, I am long Chewy. Yeah, I think you have a great opportunity here. This is potentially an ABC correction. So, and then you're also holding. I think this is the 0.61. I think I checked today actually for this. No, yeah, if it could give me a little lower, I would assume this is wave 2 correction being put into place, and I'll put my stop beneath 64. So if it gives me 72, I have like a close to a 15% move down to the downside before I get stopped out, and I'm probably gonna target. I am probably gonna target at least this high right here at 92. So I think if you're taking it, I think this is a great trade. Good luck to you, Anthony Fargas. You're in what, Airbnb? I like Airbnb a lot. I also think it's a solid company. It's just that the only thing, it's a recent IPO, and I don't really like that fact. But I like the company itself. What do you think about M content, bro? Leia, yeah, I like it. Great long. I wish. Oh my God, I typed Leia. Great long. I think you have a lot of potential, and as we're speaking, it's going up. So good luck to you. I would love to long it if it gives me that lower low into here, but good luck to you if you are taking it. I think it came down today also because the market itself tanked, but good luck. You are supposed. Why did everyone play space? No, Christopher. I didn't play space on that Sunday. I knew it was going to come down. I didn't get in here. I got in yesterday hoping for a rebound, and it didn't play out. I know tomorrow there's probably going to be a rebound. We're currently in the demand level, seeing if this thing holds. But I am potentially taking a lotto play. I'm not playing huge positions. I'm only down $1,000 on it today, and I recovered it with my Tesla short, which was pretty nice. Oh, look, Airbnb is already up. Congrats if you guys took it. I mean, it's not up a little, 1.58%, but money's money, right? So if you guys are enjoying the show, make sure to smash the like button. Again, I don't usually come on Benzinga at 2:30. I usually come in at 6 p.m. EST on Thursdays. But the reason is because I have a flight, actually, to set up an Airbnb in Virginia. So that's why I have my flight to catch, and that's why I got to go. But I think we have a great opportunity. Look, we're reacting off of this demand. I alerted some calls today in my Discord server. They're up. I think they're up a lot now. 26%. These are currently up 26% that I alerted. The Teslas paid over 150%. Guys, shoot down your tickers that you want me to look at on callsorputs.com. I'll try to do my best to answer everyone on the sweeps. So if you have anything you're watching in terms of sweeps that you want to see how the flow looks like, put your ticker down. I'm going to show you guys on the platform, and we'll end it like that. I only have a minute left, so if anyone could just drop some tickers, smash the like button if you guys want your ticker to be looked at. RMCF, let's see. RMCF, what is this company? There is no sweeps. Is this optionable? Let's see. Oh, Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Can you play options on this? Can you actually play options on this? Look at the spreads, though. You got to be careful because this thing moves. This thing moves like crazy. Look at all those the spreads are super wide. I don't think this is optionable. Yeah, it's not optionable. AMD. Any golden sweeps? None. Chance AI. Let's see. Most of the AMD sweeps are bullish, especially with our algo. Chance AI is over 1. These are bullish bets. However, they're not huge positions. As you can see, they're like 60 grand. In regards to a technical standpoint, I do think that, let's see what happens here. in regards to a technical standpoint, if this is a correction, I would love for it to hit my demand level. Write this down, guys. We are always calling out plays on Benzinga, and if it works out, make sure to tune in Thursdays at 6 p.m. I want to get into AMD if it could retrace down to this level right here. We're about to go, but 84.72, 84.78. I think that would be a great long opportunity. So if it does get there, I sent my alert just now. If it does get there, I'm in it with you. Neo, KSS, smash the like button. Smash the like button and we'll keep this going. Neo, potential openings, there is none. Chance AI, they're still bullish. 2 bullish bets that the algorithm picked up. As for technicals, let's see, Neo. I think Neo has a little more to go. Again, my alert has already, my alert's going to be set for 39.76. I think we are correcting right now. We still have a little more to go. And then after that, I think we're going to the freaking moon. So if it could get to this 39.76 area, I am going to go in. Spread on F. Do we have any flow on Ford? Nothing notable. These are small positions, but for technicals, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. I think you are currently in. I mean, this is not enough for me to take a trade. You could potentially be flagging, but let me see. It ran up quite some, so I personally wouldn't take a trade like this. I made a huge move from $4 to over a 300% move. This is a no-go for me. Chandler, one of my favorite Benzinga traders. Thank you, Christopher. QuantumScape, I've actually been watching this. I do not want to. It looks great. I mean, you have a bunch of divergences. Also, the MACD suggests upside, but I don't see anything until. I don't see anything, bro. Unless this is an expanded flat. This is a prior. I mean, it did bounce off of this. I will advise you. I would give it some time to play out. I'll keep you updated if I can on the next show, or if you follow us on Discord, just ask me again. But it might be a reversal here coming up, but I don't know, and I don't want to give you an answer. As of right now, this one doesn't look the best to me. I did play this before. Leia, yeah, Neo, I think is a great long opportunity here if we could get down to this 39.76 level. ALF. Oh wait, QS. Let's see if there's any sweeps on this thing. Yeah, it's still. I wouldn't say that. Someone sold. I think someone. The algo picked it up as someone selling a put for November, so that means that they think that it's gonna go up from here. ALF. What is this? All right, let's wrap things up. We gotta go. 1, 2, 3. 1 second. Let me just help this guy out real quick. I don't know. I don't like ALF until we could get. I wouldn't say 1, 2, 3. This could be, but I don't like it. It's such a huge level. Yeah, I don't like this. It's too wide. I mean, this is a freaking. I don't know where it's a 34% difference, so I don't like it as of right now. But if it could get down to this lower position, I guess I would potentially take the trade. I like it here if we could get there. But as of right now, I don't see anything. I don't want to give you hope, and then it doesn't work out that way, you know? Good luck to you guys. How to get on your premium. Everything is in the description. The Discord server is there. Once you go to the Discord server, just tap the membership button if you want. But good luck to all of you guys. Yeah, looking for a re-entry. I would definitely check it out if it gets to the 708 level. Good luck to you if you do take it, and God bless everybody. Thank you, guys. Make sure to smash the like button, and I'll see you guys Thursday, 6 p.m. EST every single week. Thanks for tuning in. I wish you guys good luck.